Hey, Texas Rider here. I'm bringing you another video for Suspension Technologies for front and back. I'm just doing the rear today, but I want to thank you for sending this to me, whoever it was. It just showed up on my doorstep. I'm just very grateful that somebody spent their hard-earned money to let me review this and try this out on my bike. And that, you know, just don't know how much it means to me to have someone spend their hard-earned money on getting this to me. And just it's great, and you know, from the bottom of my heart and stuff. And this should probably take about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, real quick, this is